You can find ceramic coating for £150 on Facebook, and you can also find it for £1,500. What's the difference? And are those cheap options worth it? I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. I'm going to be honest with you about budget ceramic coatings. Now, why the price difference? Now, there's a huge price range, right? Here's what's happening. At the budget end, you typically get a consumer grade coating with less durability, minimal prep work, maybe just a wash, and no paint correction, so the swirls get locked in. A short warranty or no warranty, and at the premium end, you get a professional grade ceramic coating, which is harder and more durable, full decontamination and prep work, paint correction before the coating, and a multi-year warranty backed by the manufacturer. The actual coating application takes the same time. The prep is where the difference lies. Now, what's the prep problem? Here's the thing most people don't understand. Ceramic coating locks in whatever is underneath. If your paint has a lot of swirl marks in, and you lock it in the swirl marks for the next 5 years, really. A proper ceramic coating job includes a thorough wash, a clear bar decontamination, paint correction, usually at least stage 1 on the vehicle, panel wipe to remove oils, then a ceramic coating application, then curing time, and that takes 1 to 3 days. You can't do that for £150 and make a living, to be honest. When budget makes sense. Now, I'm not saying cheap coatings are always bad. Budget options can make sense if your paint is already perfect on a brand new vehicle, if you plan to sell the car in just a year, if you want some protection but not perfection. But if you're keeping your car long term and want it to look incredible all year round, budget coatings usually disappoint. Now, red flags to watch out for. Ceramic coatings that actually are a ceramic spray wax are not the same thing. No mention of prep work or paint correction on the vehicle. Prices that seem too good to be true. No warranty or vague satisfaction guarantees. No accreditation or training credential. Ask questions. A reputable detailer will happily explain their process. Now, our approach at Hadrian's, we're Synergy Pro accredited. Every single ceramic coat includes proper paint preparation. We assess your paint first and recommend correction if needed. And every coating comes with a certificate and manufacturer's warranty. We'd rather tell you the honest price up front than have you disappointed later. If you've got questions about ceramic coating, give us a call on 01670 334 140. We'll give you the straight answers. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services, and I'll see you next time.